What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today we're going to talk about Linktree and how to set up your Instagram profile to get you more leads. All right, welcome back. So I kind of stumbled upon this Linktree on somebody else's profile, so it's kind of funny. I saw it. I'm like, oh, this is pretty cool. I think I'm going to check it out. I started looking into it a little bit more, and it is a simple website here. You can just Google Linktree. And you can download the free version. There is a paid version, which I went ahead and did. And as you can see here, this is what it looks like. You got to add this stuff, okay? Here's your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. This is your WhatsApp. This is your Pinterest. And this is your email. Now, they have in this Linktree, they have like some abilities to go in and let me open this up a little so I can see the links because I got so many things open. All right, so here's where you set it all up. It's pretty straightforward. What I do like about this is that basically the whole idea here is to just, because you get one link in your Instagram profile, okay? And typically, as most marketers do, we have lots of other things that we want people to see. So my main thing I'm trying to do is drive leads from my Instagram to my YouTube channel. So I made that my number one here, and noticed I put a nice GIF. You can add like it's not a GIF, but it's a JPEG. You can actually add that right here, okay? And I put a transparent one, so it looks really nice. It still kind of models, it looks like it's kind of native on the background. And then I had my VA make me some transparent other logos here for my free affiliate marketing course, my recent blog post, my personal website, and then my educational website, okay? And then obviously on the bottom, you got all the social things. You got another one here for YouTube, but people got kind of what's I call banner blindness, and they don't typically click on these links. They're going to see this though, because it stands out. Notice how I put the YouTube and the subscribe button in my logo in big bold. So that's what I'm driving most people to go to is my YouTube. In fact, later this week, I'm going to shoot another video and show you guys the system I have working to get subscribers on my YouTube from Instagram. It's working really well. All right, so here is this is Linktree. What else I liked about it? By the way, this is the paid version. There's a $6 a month version, and I went ahead and just paid for it. I got my own linktr.ee marketing meathead. That's going to be the link that I put in my bios for my 4 Instagrams I'm using to drive traffic to my YouTube. And then in the settings, you can actually, this is where you go in and you can change the color. I like this purple and kind of yellowish color that matches my logo. Obviously, I'm purple and yellow. And then I put my avatar here. What I did is I put a transparent picture here. So it's got kind of like a blue background. So it looks like, to me, it stands out a little bit. It's not like, it just looks real professional. To me, this looks really, really professional. It's got the highlighted one, which is in color. That's going to draw the eyes. And then me in the top there, which is transparent. It just looks really professional. It's a good picture of me. And then this is where you put in your social links. Very easy here. Just put in your links. Now they don't have the email set up the way I want it yet quite. It looks like they've integrated with MailChimp, but I'm going to need Zapier here to integrate with my Infusionsoft. So I think what you'll be able to do is ask for people's emails here, which is pretty cool, but it's not working yet. So I don't have that set up yet, so we'll close that. And then this is where it gets fun. Okay, this is where you can put in your Facebook Pixel ID. Okay. Notice over here, I'm going to click over to the actual page again, and I want to show you guys that I've got the Pixel installed. Okay, so here's the actual, Linktree, marketingmeathead.com, or Marketing Meathead, and then we just go over here to our Facebook Pixel checker. I've showed you guys this on the channel here, and notice I have a pixel here. Okay, so I have a page view and a link click. Now what's really cool is notice how I have like 5 different basically links here, and then there's links down here as well. You can actually set up a parameters so that I set this up for the Google for the social traffic, so I know it's coming from Instagram here, from Linktree. All right, that's that. But when you go in to actually set up the custom audience, now this is something that this is supplied by Linktree, so you can go through it. I'm not going to sit here and go through step by step because it's all right here in a nice PDF, so it's really easy to do. But basically what you can do is set it up so that you can have the Linktree pixel, which I set up. You can see this here. I went ahead and set up a Linktree pixel, then I clicked on it one time so it's active. That's going to be my Linktree pixel. And then what you can do inside that pixel once you start getting some traffic is you can go like all website visitors, and Then you can set it up to where you have like a custom audience, and then you can set up the different link clicks, and you can set up the different parameters. Okay, so basically you could find the destination parameter, and then you can have this specific link tracked, and you could set up a custom audience. So for example, on mine, if I had people that went, I wanted to just hit the people up with ads that just went on the educational website, then I could set up an actual custom audience just for that. That's diving pretty deep. Probably not necessary, to be honest with you. If I can get people just to click on any of these links, I'm going to retarget them with something. For now, if I get up to the point where I got so much traffic coming in, at some point where it actually would make sense to segment those people out and retarget them differently, for example, or advertise to them differently, then so be it. But it's not necessary. I really don't think that most of you that are watching this channel probably need to delve into that level. But just know that you can set it up to where you have actual custom audiences for every one of these links on here, which is pretty cool. So basically, we're doing a lot with that Instagram, the Instagram link now. It's really cool. In my opinion, I think this is a major upgrade for me and for my channels. $6 a month is not a lot of money, but I recommend setting it up nicely here with a nice transparent logo. Draws attention to the YouTube, especially if that's what you're focusing on. Then, of course, got my free course, my most recent blog post, my personal site, and my educational site. Then I got all my social here. Just makes me look really legit to a new user and somebody that's coming onto my world for the first time from one of my Instagrams. So that was kind of the whole point of this today. And if you did enjoy what you saw today, I would appreciate you going ahead and liking this video. And make sure you share it with a friend. If it's something you found valuable, they'll probably find it valuable as well. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, bang that notifications bell, and leave me a comment below if you did like the content today, and if you are going to set up your profile with Linktree. Even the free version is cool. The paid version has a lot more stuff, and you can take the Linktree logo off and whatnot. But I did want to let you know that I do have another video over here of when I got the ClickBank Platinum Award. I did find out a little bit more about that award. I think I did 500K in less than 6 months, and that's how I got that reward. So make sure you check out this video over here. The ClickBank Platinum Award is a pretty big deal, especially since that wasn't my only affiliate network I was running over the last few months. So hope you guys enjoyed today. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.